Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new STEM World Educational video. In this episode of Scratch Lessons, we are going to be learning how to use operations in Scratch. So the operation blocks are right here, and I'm going to teach you how to use them. First, I'm going to do an example of how to use them, and I will explain them a little bit more further on in this video. So for this example, we are going to use the Scratch Cat here, and I'm going to create a script saying that when the sprite is clicked, we're going to change the size by 10. Then we're going to wait 0.1 seconds, and then we will change the size by -10. Let's see how this works. And there you go, that's how it works there, just to create a little effect when you click on the sprite. So now you're going to actually do something that is related to the operations. I'm going to create a variable here, and I'm going to name it score. And this variable is going to kind of keep track, it's going to kind of mix in with the operations, because depending on what the score is, we will make the operations to do that certain thing. So we're going to do a large readout here, and now we're going to grab when the green flag is clicked block, and we're going to always set the score to 0 here, to 0. Now we're going to grab an if block and put it right here. Actually, we'll put it right here instead. We're going to do if, and now we're going to grab an operation, and we're going to put this in here. Then we're going to get this little circle right here, and we're going to put it inside this operation block. And we're going to do if the score equals 10, then we will say, don't make the sprite say test for 2 seconds. I'm going to add a forever loop here. And now we're going to do the finishing touch, which will be to change the score by 1 every time the sprite is clicked. So these are the two scripts right now. Let's test it out. And there we go, the sprite is saying test. So that's basically an example of the operations block. You can use it for different things, to like create a shop, and you can add, like, make a variable have money, and then you can make it depending on what you want it to do. You can create it in a game. You could just do like a little project, and I'll show you a project that I've made right here. And this will be another example of using money inside and using the operation block. So here is a game that I have made, which includes operations and includes money too. So that I'm just going to show you a little example of how to use operations in a different way. Let's move this right here. And we're going to press play on this game, an environmental game. And I'll just complete out this, and I'll show you guys the example. Okay, so we are now in the game, and as you can see, there is money involved in this game, and there is popularity involved in this game. And you can go to shop, and now you can buy different buildings depending on this. To learn more about this game, it will be in the link description below. There is a video kind of showing you the game. So yeah, that is an example of money inside the game. That example of operation inside the game. You could do if money equals a certain amount. When you have a certain amount of money, you can code that with operations. So when you have that amount of money, you can then you could be able to buy things. So that is just a little example of operation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends. Bye everybody.